Take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1937 Ford Cabriolet street rod. LT1 powered. That is paired up with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. Power brakes. Disc at all four corners, actually drilled rotors. Just take a good look at the front here with a custom flamed paint job on this one. And remember, you can always check out the still pictures, see this car from every angle, top to bottom, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. When you're taking a look at the still pictures, take a look at that engine bay. Very nicely done. We're going to fire it up here, prop the hood up, let you check it out at the end of the video also. Riding on the polished wheels. This is a glass body car, FYI. Interior, saddle colored interior, neutral colored interior. As you can see, seat belts. Shifter on the floor, tilt column, VDO gauges. Gauges read 11,222, believed to be the original miles on it since it was built. Remember, we also consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This rear deck lid is power, Frenched in tail lights. We'll raise up that deck lid too. There's kind of a custom stereo install I'll point out a little bit too. As far as the top, there's what the headliner would look like in it. And this would be the color of it, so a neutral colored top also. And you'll be able to see still pictures of that on the car. FYI, that stand we keep here for display purposes only, will not go with the car. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. All right, let's snoop over this interior a little bit more. As you can see, speakers put in the rear seats, and then the actual head unit is right down in this area, right underneath there, so you'd reach back with your right hand and hit a change volume, anything like that. If you wanted the stereo on, but the sound of this car, you may just like listening to that. As far as that power deck lid, right, if I can get the camera over, there we go, this switch right here, so right down on this door, and we're going to raise it up, and I'll show you what happens back here. Deck lid is power, goes up. I'll show you that area as well as underneath the hood. So that's how you raise that. Let's go ahead and check out these front seats. Door panels to match, speakers up front. Again, bucket seats. Not a lot of wear to the seats. No rips, tears, holes. Again, seat belts front and rear. Wheels, by the way, Budnick wheels, and then a matching steering wheel. Same brand, also polished. Also, we'll have adjustable coilovers at all four corners. I don't think I mentioned that earlier. You'll be able to see that in the underside pics. Key underneath here, and also light switch. This is for releasing a hood. You'll push that in and lift up the hood. We'll release. So let's go ahead and fire it up. Oil pressure. There was a cold start, so temp is not up. There's your miles since built, believed to be 11,222. Tachometer, fuel gauge and volts. So all gauges appear to be working. Sounding car. This one will definitely turn some heads with its looks and its sound. There's that bass in the rear. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second because it's going to take me both hands to get this hood open. Let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go with the hood prop. This prop rod is adjustable, so you could change the height of the hood if you're at a show showing the engine. But check out this engine bay. Nice and tidy. again, you can see it in the still pictures. Take your time looking through them. 1937 Ford Cabriolet Street Rod. Give us a call, 507-386-1700.